Okay, let's make a rainbow. Let's stretch out our side over here because when we do our yoga poses, we like to move our bodies, and I'm a big boy, but I like to move my body a lot. So everybody's gonna go like this, and ready, and everyone go, ha, ha, ha! What's so funny? Why are you laughing? Okay. And we're gonna put our arm over our head like this. Everyone go, hee, hee, hee! Why are you laughing again? Am I doing something silly? Interesting. All right, everybody go like this and go, ho, ho, ho! Are you Santa Clauses? You, what? One of you owes me a train. All right, I don't know. Let's keep stretching. Everybody go like this. Go, hoo, hoo, hoo. Did you just hear a bunch of owls? I just heard a bunch of owls. What's going on over here? I don't give a hoot. Okay, now, we're going to peck for some seeds like a bunch of chickens, and we're going to stretch out our ham and cheese sandwiches. No, our hamstrings, our hamstring cheeses. Our everyone say hamstring. Okay, good. So everybody go like this, make a chicken beak, and everybody go, baka! Oh, come on. I know you can be louder. Everybody go, baka! All right, awesome. We're going to peck for some seeds like a bunch of chickens. Everybody go, peck, 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 peck. And now we're going to pick some bananas like a bunch of monkeys. We're going to reach up, make some monkey noises. Oh, come on. You can be louder. Go, hoo-hoo! Good job. I like the way you're doing a monkey noise. I like the way you're doing a monkey noise. And everybody go pick, 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 and peck, 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 pick, 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 peck, 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 pick, 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 peck, 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 pick, pick, pick. Ew. Ew, why are you picking your nose? Oh, I'm just kidding. It was an optical illusion. You are so silly. Okay, just gonna wipe the boogies on my pants. What? I didn't say that. Yes, I did. It's okay.